Hello, two hearts. Good afternoon, good evening. Right. Why is what? Why is it open on the what the fuck? Why is it just locking to here? Man. Okay, that's fine. So OBS updated and this is probably a new bug. What if I minimize from the window itself? Nope, still happens. Ah, fuck. Anyways, that's fine. What I'm gonna try to do today is making the front end, which is the website that's gonna show the times you send. I don't like doing front end because I like anything graphic related. I'm just super shit at it. I'm really terrible at those things. But I'm gonna create a. I'm gonna do it anyways. I'm gonna use React because it's probably easy for me to do. Like, why does this happen? I'm gonna send a bug report. All right, cool. New major version of npms available. Just do that. I need to update node too. Oh, wait. Coolbricks is greater than what? Okay, let's close this and update node. Okay, cool. I already forgot the command. No man, let's just. I'm gonna do that later. It all starts with a React app. Now we need to open the window in a code, a VS code. There we go. I need choose spaces. I don't like choose spaces in my stuff. Poop and poop too. Okay. Off to a great start. So index just imports the CSS, which is like probably global stuff. Set the margin to like 16 pixels. Background color to like 20, so it's kind of gray. Well, I need to write the leaderboard API to just send data to it. Anyways. For now, just do nothing, I guess. So first I need to write the API. So like app.route fetch times methods get. Curve execute. And it's that one that I wrote yesterday. And curve dot fetch all. Let's see what it returns to me. Return like oop, funny. No, I'm just gonna return this. And then import JSON. Let's see what happens. Then we're gonna turn on the thing. Let's see what it returns. Which is yeah. It's like, I see. I see. I see what you're doing. And True Heart's probably laughing at my shit ass code. Like, look at this noob writing code. Like, shit code. Yeah, I don't need it to be as async. Let's try something here. So I could just import please tell me where it's from. Here. Just call it API, so I can just do API fetch times then response console.log response.data, then I print result. Cannot resolve Axios because I forgot to npm install Axios. Use state's not defined because I did not import the fuck. Anyways, let's check the thing. It does return me an array with everything. Anyways, and then I can just I'm gonna make them a separate component, but when it's returned, I'm just gonna do a data.map. It's gonna be like a card, and then it's gonna return card dot it's an array of an array. How can I do this? Does this work? No, because data is undefined. I'm not, yeah, I'm not setting the data because I'm not returning it. Like then return result. I'm not gonna do it like this. Just testing. Data is null, but I'm just do like data is not equals null. then return something. Data is still undefined, eh? What am I doing wrong here? Okay. So it is sending me an array, but I'm probably just doing this wrong. Hold on. C sharp. Well, I'm doing a live split component, and live split is made in C sharp, so I have no choice. Just I'm using like probably the most hated stuff. C sharp, JavaScript, and Python. Pretty good. I'm using React too. Like maybe I can just do like right here. Nice set interval to call fetch times every 3 seconds, I guess. Is this how it works? Oh god. This is not how it works. Too much boiler stuff. Yeah, I also think it's stupid. but I don't know. I'm still just I'm just still learning. Look at the size of this thing. Because it's just nested like it's just nested variables and object or whatever. I still do not understand this. Maybe this is just saying that you can just get it set, whatever. This is only accessible within this class. Static, I don't know what static means. Read only, yeah, it's just it's self-explanatory. And then the object type, and then the name of the variable. And then we created a thing. Okay. I don't know. From someone who never wrote anything in C# before, I'm pretty happy that I managed to to make something work. Because oh, this is not good. My code is doing poop. Just making endless amounts of requests. Please stop. Maybe I should do this in a use effect. So it only calls it once instead of every redraw. Oh my god, it froze my browser. Jesus Christ, what's happening? I think the stream is gonna crash anytime soon, eh? Help! Oh god, I need to end the task immediately. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if it's calling it like once every 3 seconds. I think it even my server crashed. Okay, now it's fine. Let me close some other stuff here that I won't need. Oops, don't ignore. Alright. So it's giving me the array now. Um, right. So it's an array, and there are arrays inside the array. And if I data is just returning me the main, like the whole thing, right? Which is this. I don't think it is even a valid JSON, no? Not even Firefox is detecting this as a JSON. Otherwise, it would have that cool looking page. So yeah. Is it though? I don't know. Maybe it is a valid like JSON because it is not complaining. Like my browser is not complaining. What do I do on my website? Let's see the API from my website. Whoop. So when loading stuff from a list, wait, what? I do it like this? I read every item and then I place it in a like this. I mean, this is not wrong. I'm just stupid. It auto parsed the response. Wait, it is here. I'm blind. Need to make the color white. Come on, didn't type correctly. So it's only giving me the names, right? Yeah, I made the page gray and the text is black, and I that's why I couldn't see. I I I hate front end in general. I don't like doing like graphic stuff. It sucks. Just do a quick thing here. Display block. Is this how it works in React? No, it is not how it works in React. There must be an object. Come on, React. React styles. I meant style. This thing is so... Why? Wait, my fault. My fault. I'm not... Okay. gonna make like a cool looking card for each entry. But for now I'm just testing how it's gonna be. Ah, man. All right. So let me get a time going here. I'm gonna create a new API key and stuff. And I'm gonna call this please help me. Update the name. Gonna get like what? 32 minutes time. So it sends to the server, it automatically appears here. Nice. You don't PB, the time doesn't update here. So, okay. Let's suppose the guy playing these PBs and gets first place. It's already here. Yeah. I didn't organize by ordering, so I need to do this right now. Where is it? It's select players, name, runs, time from runs, inner join players on runs. uh, it's order ascending, I think. No, it's not. It's order by, no? Order by? It's not order by. Oh, order by the what am I doing? Order by what? Runs dot time ascending. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Now it's in order. Now I'm gonna delete please cap lock keywords. Okay, sorry. I'm just too lazy to caps lock and then type. Oops. Yeah, I'm gonna do this later. But anything new that I do that does an SQL request, I'm gonna do it with all caps. It's fine. Is my Apache server down? It is. What? Apache shut down unexpectedly. Okay. probably that. What the fuck? It's where's PHP my admin? It's supposed to be here. Maybe I need to restart again. Oh, it's trying to access through IPv4. Okay. I need to restart my browser. There we go. Okay. Leaderboards. Let's delete everything from here. Yeah, delete from runs where everything. No, that's not how it works. Where's how to delete all? Where API key is not 0, I think. Dude, I need to study SQL more. Holy shit. Is it like any SQL stuff? So like not equal 0? Yeah. Oh, okay. So like delete runs where API key is not equals 0. I'm using MariaDB, I think. I think that's how it's called. It might be different on Postgres. But I'm not using Postgres. So SQL delete not equals. Oh, it needs to be separated. Delete from runs. Okay, thank you. Truncated wrongly. Value blah blah blah. It's a varchar. Did I? Okay. This is quite embarrassing. There we go. I was trying to delete int when the thing was a varchar. It should have updated here by now. What's happening? Is it not doing anything? Wow. Some kind of subscription system? I don't think so. I already deleted from the database. It's still fetching it like normally. Maybe I do need to because the way I'm doing this, I'm connecting and having the cursor on at all times, so it might not be updating the contents. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna initialize a cursor every time it does something. And then when it finishes, close the cursor. I might need to do like this, because every time, yeah, just do a finally and then it close the cursor no matter what, I think. So try cur equals con.cursor. Should do it this right here. Try cur equals con.cursor. And then finally cur.close. Or should I disconnect from the database every time? I don't know what is the best practice for this. You should. Okay. Because on every function I was connecting to the database and then disconnecting from it. And I thought like, why couldn't I just leave it on at all times? But okay. So try. And then finally core.close and then con.close. Same thing here. Try. And then finally close and then con.close. Hold on. Stop. What's happening here? Fetch times. Oh, okay. I'm closing the thing twice. There we go. Yeah, that was it. Now there's nothing in the database. It doesn't do anything. Now I'm gonna finish a run here. There we go. It appears right there. I should make this like to do it every second instead of 3 seconds, because it's faster this way. Let's suppose a different person got in. Like, I'm gonna create a new API key. Call this Roddy. I didn't update the name. And got a very cool time of 4 seconds instead of 30 minutes or so. It appears in first place. Nice, that's what I want. Cool. This is so cool. Okay, now to try to do something more like good looking, I guess. Yeah, when it finishes. Just stop the loop. How do I stop a loop again? Okay. JavaScript stop interval. It's clear interval. Loop. What I need is styled components. So let me do that. So npm install styled components. That's how it's called. And I can just do cool things like well, I might need to restart code so it gets the new thing. Um, wait, no, not yet. I need to create a new component called card. And then I place the style component inside here. Then I do export const timer card. For now, I'm just gonna return nothing. Make it return the same thing here, but instead it's gonna be name and time. And instead of returning this, I'm gonna return a card. What is it called? Timer card. Okay, that's not how it works. Dude, I broke nothing. What the fuck? I didn't do anything wrong. The name is equals card 0, and then time is equals card 1. Close it. What the fuck? And it should return, should be the same thing. And yes, it is the same thing. But now I have more control over the elements. So for stylizing there, I can just go to card. So I can just say like, it's gonna be like a card container or whatever. That's not how you write container, but yeah. So I can just go styled and then card container is equals styled or styled component. It's gonna be like a div. And that div is gonna have like border radius of 8 pixels. Background color gonna be like a little bit brighter than the background. Let's see how it is. Oh, let's see. Let's do padding of 8 pixels. So this is gonna be inside the card container. Yeah, this is looking something, but since it's inside the block, it does this. Because I did it like this. I I feel like Chrome has a better inspect than Firefox. I need to place them inside a div and make it flex. Fuck Safari. I never used Safari in my life. So display flex. Let's just do that and place this inside the main container that I just said. So it should be inside the div now. It is. So let's do things. So it's a flex row. It's by default. It's gonna be a wrap because I need to make it like go like that. And just that and add a gap too. What's it called again? Select wrap. Wrap. And gap. 16 pixels between each. Yeah, like this. Inside there, P has no margin. It looks ugly. So how is it gonna look? It's the question. I didn't plan that. See, I think it's like I'm just gonna do like name. Like the name right here. And a time like big right below it. Like 4823.69. And probably on the right, I'm gonna add like if it's for like the position. Okay, let's try that. I need a better font for this. Just using shit. What is the font that I use? Where? This. And call font family Lato. Call it first, actually. That's not it. Let me copy paste that again. Oh, I just delete everything, just leave Lato and sans serif. That's how I do it. Yeah. Let's say another person finish a run. Yeah, there it is. Now it's the worst part, like stylizing the things, and I hate that. Can I just leave it like this? Oh god. I want to leave it like this. Maybe I'm gonna do like inside the card container. It's gonna be a display block. But it's not gonna do anything because this is all one thing. Oh, I need to create like a date object. So I like new date. How did I do on my website? I keep forgetting how I do stuff because I do it once, then never again. I think I did it on the rats. Yeah, there it is. Just do a new date. And the date is the... No, I don't think it would work like that. I'm gonna do it like this. And if I find a better way of doing it, then I'm gonna update this. So when it's called, when it's first called, it's gonna get like a var. People use let right nowadays, right? Let minutes. Then I'm gonna, yeah, exactly. I'm gonna forget to leave it like this because it works. Because it's gonna work, and I'm gonna be like, okay. Next. Can I do this like in Python? I don't think so, right? Nope. I don't think I can do this even in Python, actually. I'm just... So M is gonna be... It's gonna be the math dot floor time divided... Because the time is in seconds, right? 60. S is equals math dot floor is it mod 60, right? Yeah, mod 60. I don't need to floor this actually, but I think I will because of the milliseconds, I guess. What is the mod? It's percentage, I think, 60. And millisecond is equals... Let's forget about milliseconds for now. This is the worst thing I have ever done. Oh, M and S is not defined because you need on React you need to do like this. You need to use states. Shut up. Then I need to use set minutes and then set seconds. And it needs to be like this because it's like a function. Oh, now it's not complaining anymore. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, almost there. But I need to convert them to a string. Well, maybe I can just add a new, like, a new row. Like a new row here that just says, like, oh, it's the light time. And then just sets the time here and I can just call it from there. It's probably the cheap way to do that because I can just read the final time from here. Where is it? Here. Let me just try something first on the update. I think that will only apply to seconds. There's a better way to do this. I'm sure I can definitely do that in JavaScript. Maybe I'm too lazy to do this. God, fuck it. It's gonna look horrible. This is how it works. Yeah, this is how it works. Okay, this is fucking terrible. To format the number. It's just too fixed. Is it really just too fixed? Okay. Probably like easy enough. I really hope there's... Ugh, okay. Never mind. Set milliseconds to time dot to... Wait, no. I will only need to grab the last two dots. Okay, let's just grab this shit here, I guess. I also did this for my website, the rats. Just read how it looks like. This looks terrible, terrible, terrible. Oh my god. And then I make it show here, I guess. Not quite. Not quite. Wait, wait, I think there's a better way of doing this. Instead of just doing like this, take this out. Let's just see what second show. Take this out too. Now format second string. Don't know if it's gonna be like seconds. Mod 60. Dot true locale string. It's gonna be like in US. Let's see what this gives me again. Oh, this looks good. Need to add a 0 again if the It is fucking terrible, dude. Doesn't even work. It doesn't even work. Oh, because second is not less than 10, I guess. Okay, hold on. Okay. Because it's a const. Should make the timer bigger. No, it's not a span, right? I'm gonna make it B since B has no, just made it without any margin. I'll make it font size 32 pixels or something. And place this inside card time. Oh, looks good, I guess. Alright, Rena. Thanks for the good luck. It looks like it worked. But, okay. Okay. P cannot be a Pierce descendant of P. Oops, my bad. I'm gonna send a thank egg in chat. Have a good evening, a good night. É que tá escrito 1:49, porque não tá fazendo update aqui. Deixa eu apagar uma das linhas aqui. Vou apagar esse aqui de 311, I guess. So delete from runs where API key is equals this. Boo, it's not updating, eh? Maybe because the timer is already, like the seconds are already set, so it doesn't update this part. I guess that's what's happening. Because here, I'm gonna create a new API key again. And get a time. That's not a correct time. But I'm pretty sure if you reset, it's gonna show the correct times. And that's what happened. It's gonna go to second place, so it's the second one to be written in the list. So it looks like it's just getting the code that's already set here. I'm gonna do it like name time as a dependence, and I guess that fixes it. Because this is gonna be run like every time one of these two things change. And I keep forgetting that this exists, like the dependence for the use effects. Yeah, let's delete everything again. So delete from runs where API key is not equals nothing. Delete everything. Gone. I screwed up my splits. Maybe another thing that I could do is uh, well, looks like it's working just fine, eh? Well, I think the basic stuff is already done. I don't know if I should limit the where's the longest um maybe I should make the font monospace. I don't know if that's gonna do anything with this. The letter W is the widest when typed, so let's just do this. Maybe I should limit the character name even more. I need to add the index for it too, right? So if I want to make like the cool badges for first, second, third place. So here's gonna be name, time, and placement. And back in the app. So name, time, and placement is equals, no, it equals index. So let's see one thing. It's gonna add another placement. It's gonna be 0, 1, 2 because of course. And